Hold spacers and bearers without strapping by using RoRo StretchPack for a horizontal stretch hood packaging. Now you can remove strapping from your packaging line. Using stretch hood film, spacers and bearers can be held in place. It is suitable when there is friction between the products. First, the tubular stretch film is prepared for packaging. Then the film is cut and welded to create a film hood. The film is stretched before packaging. The spacers are included inside the packaging. The packaging is welded for 100% sealing. No strapping is needed to hold the spacers in place under the products. Benefits of removing the strapping process: no investment in strapping, reduced consumables, reduced maintenance, reduced power consumption, no strapping marks on products, easy unpackaging, only one packaging material for recycling.